guys, welcome back to another video of Arjun Tech Vlogs. So today we are back with another recipe, and in this video we are going to be showing you guys how to make cheese corn dogs. So you can actually make it without the skewers. So you can make it without the sticks things. So I'm going to try to make it without those. So we're going to be deep frying it after that. So this is not like we are going to be adding sausages. So sausage covered in cheese, and it is going to be deep fried. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did just to show you guys. So we have we took four sausage fries, and so this is how it looks like. And then we covered the sausage with mozzarella cheese, and we should really press it in so that it holds it into the sausages. So that's how I did it. And now let's do the rest the other video. And we need breadcrumbs also. Also we are going to be needing, and also egg. We don't need to remove the yellow or the white. We need egg with some salt, a pinch of salt in the egg wash. And then we need breadcrumbs, so I'm not taking it out yet. So when we are cooking it, we need that, and we need a pan with oil. So now let's see the ingredients and let's see how to make it. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you guys the things that we need. So we need a mozzarella cheese, and we need sausage franks, and then we need egg wash. So we have kept it one egg with a pinch of salt, and we didn't remove the white or the yellow, so that's why it's like this. And then now we are going to be putting it like this. We're going to take the sausage franks and be covering it and pressuring it so that it's going to be stuffed in with the cheese. So first we're going to press it. You need to clean your hands before you start doing it. I did a full cleanup so that I can do it safely and stuff. You need to keep it, and then you need to press it really hard so that it sticks into the sausage franks. So it's okay if you guys miss the spots like this. That's not an issue. So then you can make it small layers also. You don't need very much of the cheese, or else you're going to be wasting your cheese. You need to be slowly. We're going to be pressing it in, but also with a medium pressure so that it all sticks in. Or the corn dog. So first let's take one and let's put it into the deep fryer. So I'm going to be showing you guys that. Okay guys, so now let's put the corn dogs which we have already prepped up for the deep frying. So now let's just dip it in oil and let's just deep fry it. So here we go. And then after some seconds, or it depends on how much and which level did you put the stove on. So I kept it on medium, so like 1 minute or something, you guys can like roll it down like this. So now it's not already cooked, so as you guys can see, when it's like a little like a brown color and all, the cheese has melted. Don't make it like too hard brown so that the cheese doesn't go like it doesn't taste good if you do that. So now let's just put the second one. Okay. Now the third one. Yes. The fourth one we can't fit it in. I used a small pan, so we're gonna be using it in the next round. So now let's see how this turns out. So guys, as you guys can see, one of them exploded. That is one of the mistakes that I made. I hope you guys don't make it. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I did. What was the wrong thing that I did? So what I did was like I didn't make the coating of the breadcrumbs too much. I made it too light on one of the sides. The other side is perfectly fine, as you guys can see. So only one of the sides, which is this, I kept it like medium. I don't like it was very light, so that's why the cheese exploded. Like the whole coating came out and the cheese was dripping out. So the rest of them are all fine. It's like nice and like squishy, which means the cheese is all boiled up. And if you like cut it open, it's gonna melt cheese. Like it's gonna come out all out. So we are gonna be doing that also. So just for that nice little clip. So I'm gonna try. I feel like the other ones are like really perfect, but some of them are not. So and like and also because of this exploded, like the cheese came out. Some of the like a little cheese went into my oil, and you can see this kind of brownish. Only this side is area like brown. That is the like the burnt cheese. So that is also one of the problems. So I hope you guys don't make that mistake and have fun while cooking. Okay guys, so we are going to be taking this out. So let's just give it a little spin. So these kind of brown color things on the outside, which is you guys can see like this kind of like which is like coming down. That thing is the burnt cheese. So we are gonna try to like take it out. It's not a big deal though, but still like it doesn't look good while you're taking it out. So now let's just keep it there, and let's turn off the oil. I almost spilled the oil, which is a little dangerous. So now let's try to cut open that and let's do a taste test. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching. It's me Arjun Vijay from Arjun Tech Vlog signing off. So before that, I hope you guys be safe while cooking, especially deep frying because it's like really hot oil. So I hope you guys are safe during cooking and I wish you guys a really happy day and let's see you guys in the next video. So comment down below if you guys have any requests for any such videos, like if you guys want me to visit some place that you are going to visit and want to know how it is and how was the experience and all. And if you guys want to try something new, like you want me to show you guys how to cook anything in this whole world, you can tell me, like if you want me to cook anything, you guys can tell me. I'm going to show you guys how to cook it. So that's all for today's video. So thank you guys for watching. It's me Arjun Vijay from Arjun Tech Vlog signing off. So I hope you guys subscribe to my channel and turned on all notifications to get notified whenever I upload. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys. Guys, so now let's cut open this. I hope the cheese is melted. In this one, the cheese is like a little down, like it's a little cheese. There's no much cheese in this. Okay, so the cheese all are inside it. It didn't come out as I expected. Now let's try this. Like everything is like inside. Like we should have done it like the correct moment, like when it's like yeah, there is cheese in it. Like and plus the problem is that we did it like too late. So that's one of the reasons. And you guys can see the cheese melting down. The cheese that I just broke. And this is the burnt cheese that was on there. You can just take it out like that. Easy. So there is like fully stuffed cheese inside it like this. Watch this. Like it's too hot that I can't even. Guys, this sausage thing was like the cheese corn dogs was like really nice, and I want to try this right now. It's actually nice, guys. Like the sauce is the best part, and also the cheese, which I love cheese, so it's like a really good combination. And plus it's deep fried, so the taste is there. And I want you guys to try this out. So it's a really nice evening snack, so I hope you guys try this out.